Hornby and DJM Class 71s compared. The first thing I have to do is switch off my HF continuity cleaner, as the DJM loco has a coreless motor that would be damaged by it. I've been looking forward to this video for a while. It's not a review, but a chance to put these two fine locomotives side by side and see how they compare. The DJM Models Class 71 was from the original crowd-funded project, one that I was very excited to be part of. A full review of it and class history can be found on my channel, and there will be a link here in the top right corner for you to click. For identification, the DJ Models loco has a red body stripe and a darker roof and pickup shoes. The Hornby model does not have the red stripe and has a lighter coloured roof. Starting with the DJM loco, let's take a look at the posable pantograph. A delicate and accurate representation for sure. Next we look at the Hornby model's pantograph, and it had a surprise in store for me. Couldn't have done that if I tried. Yes, it sprung up all on its own. This is because it is sprung and designed to pick up from an overhead wire if needed. There is a switch on the underside of the loco that lets you select this. An interesting option, given that in real life the use of overhead pickup was confined to just a few yards and hardly ever used. As you can see, I fitted the optional front valance on the DJ loco, and for now have the normal coupling on the Hornby model. I have to say it looks much better with the valance. Now let's see an interesting comparison regarding performance. The DJ loco is now at full speed on the controller, running on the inner track, and the Hornby model is matching it, but watch this. Yes, the Hornby loco has a lot more speed available and quickly moves to start lapping the DJ loco. Normally high speed is not important to me, but given the prototype was a very fast machine and that the top speed of the DJ model is around 50 miles an hour, a little more is required. Score 1 point Hornby, well done. We now move to lighting, and here I have some bugbears. Let's run up the DJ loco first. You will notice that the head code is sooner light and very bright. In fact, it's very bright, far more than the 4 40-watt incandescent bulbs that the prototype used would have had. The marker lights are, however, prototypically dim, and in reality they were hardly ever used. We're now running up the Hornby loco, and straight away you will see the marker lights have taken on searchlight status. Sadly, very wrong. What is worse is the head code is hardly glowing at all. Both locos are now at full speed, almost. This is how the lights look. Let's dim things down a bit. Okay, tail lights. Actually, on the Hornby model, they are really very good. On the real thing, there was a lever that let you slide a red lens in front of the light. Again, however, they were rarely used, as the head code could display red blinds if the loco was running light. But check this out. The head code hardly lights up, even at moderate speed. Is this the same as yours? Maybe I have a fault. Surely not. Now look at the DJ loco. The head code lights up well enough, but hey, that's white light, totally illegal for a loco working away from you. The marker lights are, however, very accurate. Why DJ never fitted a bi-coloured LED I shall never know. Right, let's move on. Time for a load test. What, I wonder, has the station pilot got ready for us today then? Five older Pullman coaches, a fair old load. We'll put the Hornby loco on these on the outer track. And for the DJ loco we have another 5-coach train made up of older BR stock, specially for this test. As you can see, both locos are more than happy with their trains. They run smoothly and controllability is good, slightly better on the DJ loco, while the Hornby model runs more silently. It's always good to pay close attention to your bogies. So starting with the DJ model, here is a close-up. A wealth of very fine detail for sure, and check out the engine room window as well. Now the Hornby model. Hornby have done a better job with the bogie securing lug, but the DJ has the edge with all the other detail. But the Hornby engine room window is very nice. Here's the real thing. Righto, let's load up the loco. Starting with the Hornby model this time, we have 10 coaches. A reasonably controlled start. No slipping at all. Now the slowdown. All very good. Now the DJ models test. A truly nice start. Good run past. And a lovely controlled stop. Not much to choose between them, to be honest. Now some more close-ups looking at the all-important detail. Let's just see the wheels. Yes, correctly spoked, as was the prototype. So there you are. For me, they are both lovely models of a classic and very important southern region locomotive. Both perform well and look really good. Each falls down on the lighting, almost opposite each other in fact. I can't choose between them, can you? Now we have a relaxing extended running session with some most unlikely freight stock. Hope you enjoy. Take care.